it's Andrew. So this is going to be a video doing a review of the Nulaxy KM18 FM Transmitter for your car. So I got this about a month ago for the new 2015 Jeep Patriot that we purchased. Simply because this car doesn't have a built-in USB port, so you can't connect your phone directly through the radio system. It does have an auxiliary cable that you might be able to see on the radio, but it's up in this area here. However, I personally don't like connecting directly through the auxiliary port because it can potentially damage the port over repeated use over time, or you run into the issue where you can't charge your phone. So I looked into FM transmitters, and the KM18 had really good reviews both on Amazon and YouTube, and it's very affordable. So if you look on Amazon, it's for like $19 now. So based on the general features and everything, I just want to do a review video of this. First, what we'll do is take it off the stand just so you can see it close up. So this is what it looks like. So it has the power adapter here. It has 5 volt capability with 2.1 amps, which it says right there. And then at the base port here, there is a built-in USB port, so you can connect your phone as far as charging capability. It doesn't have built-in. You can't connect your phone and put it through directly through to transmit. But it does have that charging capability, so you don't lose the power adapter. Otherwise, what I'll do is I'll start the car just so you can see the general features once it's on. And so,
waiting for Perry.
Let me turn off the phone or turn off the audio for now, and we'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. But essentially, the screen up here, what it shows on the top is the volume, the FM station that you're currently set to, and then it'll show Bluetooth connectivity, so it's already connected automatically to my phone. And then on the front face here, there's going to be different channel settings, so you can decrease the channel or increase it. So if you look here, it's currently set at 88.9, and so if I hit the right one here, it'll increase by 0.1, and so that allows you to adjust your the FM transmitter so that it feeds directly into your radio, and so through your Bluetooth you can connect directly to your radio. The main thing you have to do here is you have to look online for the stations locally and find a station that is not currently taken care, currently occupied, and so you find a free FM station, and then you'll have to transmit through that way. So for me, that's 88.9 in the area I'm at. And so by doing that, it allows me to connect through the Bluetooth capability here to directly to the radio, and it plays through that way. So that's the two separate buttons on the top. On the side here, it allows you to switch through different songs. So it'll allow you to go forward or backwards depending on what you press. I'll connect it a little bit later for that. And then on the front here, allows you to pair the device and turn on the Bluetooth connectivity, depending on what you have connected and stuff. And then this knob here as well acts as a volume setting, so you can decrease it by going or counterclockwise, and then you can increase it by going clockwise. This does max out at 30, but fortunately though, you can go through either your iPhone or the built-in radio to raise or lower the volume directly that way. The other thing on the side here, which you won't be able to see, is on the port here, there is a micro SD card slot. So if you're interested in using playlists, using music that you already have through your computer or something like that, you can plug a micro SD port through here. I haven't tried out that feature just because I haven't used that in years. And at the top port here is a microphone plug-in, so that if you wanted to directly listen to music through the microphone you can do it that way. So what we'll do now is I'm going to just turn on the volume here, avoid the static for now, and then what we'll do is connect my phone directly to it. It should automatically connect, and so it's already paired, so it says Android iPhone, and announces that, and that's kind of what it does. What we'll do is just turn on Pandora, so it automatically turns on now, and you can raise or lower the volume using either the built-in station radio here or by lowering it here. And so that's how you have it set up. If you change the top FM station, it'll lose that frequency. So then if you ever have that issue, you just have to go back to the one that you have. So 88.9, it automatically sets there. So that's that. Additionally, the other thing I wanted to show you was that other than music, it does have built-in Bluetooth to allow you to use your navigation. So I'm just going to hit start on what I have. Give me 1 second.
Head north toward Elm Avenue.
It'll automatically play through that way.
Alert.
So that's all the kind of general features. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was that the charger does actually work here. So if you connect it directly through, this is an iPhone 11. So if I connect it through the port here, it'll automatically charge, which you can see. Sorry, I'm off camera a little bit. See in the setting right here. As far as pairing it, let me zoom out a little bit. When you go into your iPhone, specifically iPhone, you go to settings, and then you go to Bluetooth. And what you'll do, is go to KM18. So currently it's connected. I'll just show you what to do to connect and disconnect. So if I hit disconnect, for instance, it'll automatically disconnect. And then when I go back to the main screen here, I hit KM18.
Paired.
And it'll pair automatically. And if I go back to my regular settings, I can just play the music automatically. So that's all the features. If you have questions or anything, please post them below. I think this is a great option if you have an older car that does not have built-in USB or Bluetooth connectivity. So this is an FM transmitter for that has a lot of good features. It comes in six separate colors on Amazon. I think this is the matte black or the regular black. Also comes in a gold, I believe a copper, and then a blue as well. It's $19. I'll put a link in the description below. But post any questions or anything. I hope that video provides everything as far as covering this. I highly recommend it based on my personal experience so far. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.